Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Are you doing homework? Do children and practice additions of two-digit numbers and three-digit numbers using your own digits. Okay, and carry forward a bit also. You have to practice daily 5 problems. You have to practice. Then you will get perfection. Children, today I'm going to start our math session, chapter 3, addition. All of you take out your textbooks, page number 36. Let's begin our session, children. Okay, in the last class, we have discussed how to expand and how to add two-digit number and how to add two-digit number with carry forward. Children, today we are going to solve few more addition of two-digit numbers using carry forward method. Is that clear? Children, addition is a very easy topic and you'll understand nicely if you will observe the session carefully, and observation is very much important, children. So most important thing is you have to practice carry forward addition using carry forward method, and write on your own few numbers, two digit numbers. Then you practice at least take 5 addition problems daily and practice that. That will only help you to solve the problems. Is that clear? In our third class, we are having word problems also based on addition of simple two-digit numbers and addition with carry forward. Is that clear, children? Let's begin our session, children. Here, try this bit. I'm reading. Here, this A, B, C, D problems are there. Here, you have to add these numbers. First, observe the question carefully. And first, what we have to do, children? First, we have to add ones place digits or tens place digits, sir. Yes, absolutely right answer. Always we have to observe ones place digits. After adding ones place digits only, we have to go to the next place number. If if that is 3-digit number, after adding tens place, then we have to go to hundreds place digit. So you will have to start always from right to left. We have to add numbers from right side to left side numbers. So children, let's start adding. So here 8 and 7. Ones place digits are 8 and 7. You know 8 is bigger number, 7 is smaller number. So children, 7 fingers you open. Okay. 8 after number onwards count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my dear children, 15 is the answer you got when you add these ones place digits. So what we have to do, 15 directly I should write here, or otherwise only ones place number I should write here? Yes, teacher, only ones place number you have to write here. You'll say only ones place number we should write in ones place. So where I have to carry forward this tens place digit, I have to carry forward this tens place digit to tens place. Is that clear, children? Now, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Here when I added this 2 and 1, I got 3. So, 3 you have to add with this 4. So, you know, 4 is bigger number, 3 is smaller number. So, 3 fingers you open, 4 after onwards count 5, 6, 7. So, 7 you will get here. Is that clear, children? Now, next question. 8, 3. 3 is the smaller number. 8 you have to keep in your mind. 8 after onwards count 9, 10, 11. 11 you write side. Ones place digit you write here. Tens place digit you have to carry over to tens place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 91. Next. Here I have 39, 3-digit, 2-digit number, and 8, 1-digit number. Whenever you will get like these problems, you have to be very careful, children. Some children will confuse here. Like these additions, whenever you get, you have to note one point. What is that point? When questions are coming like this. 39. Add 39 and 8. So this is a 2-digit number. You have to write like this. No doubt here. Okay. Tens, ones. So ones place number is 9. Tens place number is 3. Okay, fine. Here 8 is a single digit number. Means 8 you should write in tens place or ones place. 8 is a single digit number. So without having any doubt, you have to write in ones place. Single digit always represents ones place only. Now, teacher, then there is no tens place digit. No, what we have to do? Then you'll get doubt. Just simply, if nothing is there, you can write 0. No, what will happen? Nothing will happen. So, if nothing is given in tens place, so you have to write 0. Is that clear? Whenever you will have a single digit number, that single digit number always you have to place in ones place. Is that clear? If there is no number, there is no digit in tens place, simply you put 0. 0 means no value. When you add 3 with 0, you'll get 3 itself. So, but you should not start adding from tens place. You have to start the addition from ones place. So, tell me, my dear children, 9 is bigger, 8 is bigger, 9 is a bigger number. So, smaller number, you have to open fingers, 8 fingers open. 9 after onwards count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 you right side, 7 is in ones place. So, write here 7 ones place. 1 you carry forward to tens place. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, when you add any number with 4, you'll get same number. So what is the answer? 47. 7, 4. So here also I'll write when you'll add 9 and 8, you'll get 7. This one will be carry forward to tens place. Here nothing is given means you have to write a 0. Is that clear? Now here 75, 26, 75, 75, 26, 26, 26. So ones place numbers you observe 5 and 6. So which is the smaller number? 5. So 5 fingers open, 6 is the bigger number. So 6 after onwards count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 you right side, ones place digit right in ones place. This tens place digit you carry over to tens place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. So write 10. I hope you understood, children, this bit nicely. So let's do one activity. Okay. Before starting this bit, I want to explain 3-digit number addition. 3-digit number addition also very easy, like a 2-digit addition only. But here extra one more digit place will be included. So 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 5 is a bigger number, 4 is a smaller number. So 5 you have to keep in your mind and 4 fingers you have to open. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you write in ones place. 2, 1. 1 is smaller number. 1 finger open. 2 after 3. And here hundreds place digit. Same addition will carry like that only. 3, 2. 2 is smaller number. 2 fingers open. 3 after 4, 5. Is that clear? Now, second question. So 5, 3. So which is the smaller number? 3 is the smaller number. 5 after count. 6, 7, 8. 8 will come in ones place. Here 0 I have. Here I have 7. If you add any number with 0, you'll get the same number. Okay. Next. 2, 1. 1 is smaller number. 2 is bigger number. 2 after 3. 378. Next. 6 plus 3. 3 is smaller number. 6 is the bigger number. So keep in your mind 6. 6 after onwards count 7, 8, 9. Is that clear? 7, 1. Which is the smaller number? 1. 1 you have to open. 7 after 8. Easy, no, children? 4, 3. 3 is the smaller number. So 3 fingers you have to open. 4 you have to keep in your mind. 4 after number is 5, 6, 7. 789. Next. 5, 4. Is that clear? 5 and 4. 4 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. So 4 fingers open. 5 after onwards count. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children. Next. 3, 6. 3 and 6. Smaller number is 3. 6 you have to keep in your mind. 3 fingers open. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Is that clear? 5, 2. 2 is smaller number. 5 after 6, 7. 799. Here. 4, 2. Which is the smaller number? 2 is the smaller number. So 2 fingers I have to open. 4 you have to keep in your mind. 2 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6. 6 you have to write in ones place. 9, 7. So here you have to observe carefully. When you add 9, 7. 9 is the bigger number you have to keep in your mind. 7 is the smaller number you have to open a finger. Open your finger, 7 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So write 16 here. 6 is in ones place. Okay. And 1 is in tens place. This last number will come here. Okay. When you add 79, you'll get 16. So then this one will carry forward to hundreds place. Okay, children. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Like that. You have to do. Next question. F. 8, 9. 8 is the smaller number. 9 is the bigger number. 8 fingers open. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17. 7 you write in ones place. 1 you have to write in tens place. Okay. When you will add tens place digits, you have to write last digit in tens place. That before number you have to carry forward to before number only. Okay, na? Here when you are adding this tens place number, when you got 2-digit number, this will come in tens place and this number will go to hundreds place. Why? I will explain you later. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. Next here, there is no carry forward number. So simply you add these two numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. So children, practice addition of 3-digit numbers using your own number is today's homework. Whatever numbers you want to use that numbers and try to solve on your own. I hope you understood this 3-digit addition very nicely. Okay. Now, how many students are there in Timmapur school? How many students are there in Timmapur school? There are 125 boys and 144 girls in Timmapur school. What is the total number of students in the school? This is the word problem. Read carefully the question and then you will understand. Then you will understand how to add the 3-digit numbers. How many students are there in Timmapur school? Is that clear, children? Read this question once. There are 125 boys and 144 girls in Timmapur school. To get the total number of students, what we have to do, children? In last video, I showed you to know the strength of the class. What we have to do? We have to add boys and girls number. How many boys are there? How many girls are there? If you add boys and girls total, you will get the total strength of that class. Here also, same like that question only. He has given. Here we know the number of boys. Here we know the number of girls in Timmapur school. He is asking to find out total number of students in that school. You know the boys number, you know the girls number. Can you find the total number of students in that school? Yes, why not? Just you add boys and girls strength. So 125 plus 144. Okay, I'll show you how to add. So total number of boys. Boys are how many? How many children? 125. Total number of girls, 144. Be careful, children. When you are writing numbers, children, the places of the numbers are most important, children. If you will write 5 in tens place, or this 4 in tens place, or this 4 you will write in hundreds place, some children, they'll not write in proper way. They'll write like this. I'll show you how they'll write. Some children hurry barily. How they'll write, I'll show you like this. Actually, question is like this. They should write like this. When they will copy from the board, they'll write like this. This is not the correct way. Is that clear? This is not the correct way. Some children, they will do like this. This is absolutely wrong method to write the number. When you are writing 3-digit number, both the numbers are 3-digit number. So ones place number should come in ones place only. Tens place number should come in tens place only. Hundreds place number should come in hundreds place only. So now you have to add the number of boys and number of girls. So my dear children, let's start counting. So 5 and 4. 5 is bigger number, 4 is smaller number. So 4 fingers you open. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will come in ones place. 4, 2. 2 is smaller number. 2 fingers open. 4 after 5, 6. Is that clear? 1 plus 1. Both the same number. Both are same numbers. So you can open number 1. 1 after 2. Total strength. Okay, children? The total number of students in Dimapur school is 269. This is the total strength. Total number of students 269. I hope you understood, children, this word problem. Okay, children, very easy only, but you have to read the question carefully. There are 125 boys, 144 girls in Tirumapur school. You know, boys and girls, number of boys, number of girls means it is very easy to find the total number of students in that particular school. I hope you understood this bit. Today, let's move to the next question. Try this. These are all word problems, children. Okay, here steps, writing of steps are also very important, children. That steps also will be there in your question only. If you will understand the question, you can write easily steps for the word problem. Okay, don't worry that from where we have to write steps like that. Children, steps means we should not write from other book. Steps will be present in your question only, but you have to be very careful. First you have to understand the question. Okay, here whenever you will solve the word problems, if that word problem is having total, how many, some, okay, together, in all words, means you should add. Okay, you should do addition of that numbers. Is that clear? Total, together, in all, how many, like that words. Total how many, total how much, like that words will be there, means you have to do addition. Remember this point. Is that clear? Let's start this question. Children, I'm reading the question. Observe carefully. A factory produces 214 fans in the first week. Is that clear? In the first week, a factory produces 214 fans it seems. First week production 214 fans and 165 fans in the second week. How many fans did the factory produce in the 2 weeks? Total how many fans factory produce in 2 weeks? First week production you know, second week production you know. How many fans? Means how many? Means total is asking. Total. How many? Total how many? Total. How many means addition. Is that clear? You know first week production number of fans and second week number of fans. So just you want to find out the total fans produced in 2 weeks means what you have to do? First week production fans. Okay, second week production fans you have to add. Is that clear? Now here observe carefully. First week fans made in first week. See this step. Fans made in the first week. How many? 214. 1 means 1's place, 10 means 10's place, 100 means 100's place. Okay, now here numbers they wrote. So don't confuse. So 4 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place, 2 in 100's place. Is that clear? Now, second, fan made in second week. 165. 5 you write in 1's place, 6 you write in 10's place, 1 you write in 100's place. For your sake only, see this color of the boxes also. They mentioned with different colors. Here yellow, pink, brown. For understanding clearly, they mentioned different colors. Okay. Yellow represents 1's place. Pink or some red color or pink color is representing 10's place. Brown color is representing 100's place. Now children, I will ask one question. Quickly you answer. First addition I have to start from 1's place, 100's place. Yes. Quickly answered. Are thinking still? Yes. We have to start addition from 1's place digits only. So you know 5 and 4. Which is the smaller number? 4. Open 4 fingers. Okay. Now 5 after onwards count. 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in 1's place 9. 6 and 1. When you add 1 to any number, you will get next number. 6 after number is 7. Next 2 plus 1. 2 after 2. When you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number of that number. 2 after number is 3. Or you can open one finger. 2 after what you will get, children? 3. So total number of fans how many? Produced in 2 weeks. 379. I hope you understood. Children, understood this bit? 379? Okay. And this 2 bits copy in your classwork. Okay. Put the heading word problem. Page number you mention. After writing this bit in your notebook, try this in your notebook. Word problem heading you write and start writing these 2 questions. And you write here, write boys is equals to 125, girls is equals to 144, and here you write total. Okay, write like these steps and write these numbers in your copy and add. And then after number 2 word problem, this question you write and write steps and add and write the answer. Let's move to the next word problem. Yes, children, Raju found 125 pebbles and Kishore found 63 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? This is the question. So here we have 3-digit number. Here we have 2-digit number. 3-digit, 2-digit. And when you are placing the numbers in a particular places, you have to be very careful. 3-digit number you write at the top. like this 125, and 2-digit number you write in down. Okay, write it down means down of that 3-digit number. But you have to start from right to left. First you place 3 in ones place, then you place the 6 in tens place. Okay, I hope you understood. Let me show here page number 37. I'll write the question. Raju found 125 pebbles. All of you read the question. Meanwhile, I'll write the question in my notebook. Is that clear? Raju found 125 pebbles and Kishore found 63 pebbles. How many pebbles did they found in all? In all word, whenever you'll get what I told to do, children, tell me fast. We have to do addition. In all word, observe here, in all means addition. Is that clear? Now you look at here. Is that clear? Now, number of answer, solution. Children, here I told, here I have 3-digit number. Is that clear? First I will show you how to write the numbers in proper place. Then I'll write the steps. Now, here I have 3-digit number. Here also if I have 3-digit number means no problem. You will arrange the numbers carefully. But here I have 3-digit number. Here I have 2-digit number means some children what they will do, you know. See, they will write like this. Is this number arrangement is correct, children? This is absolutely wrong method, wrong way to place the numbers. You have to place 2-digit numbers from ones place. That 2-digit number, for example 63 is a 2-digit number, means this 3 should come in ones place, you know, 3 should come in ones place, then 6 should go in tens place. But here nothing is there means you can put 0. This is the right method. This is the wrong method. Okay, children, 63 if you'll place in hundreds place, you'll get wrong answer. And you are if you will write like this in your exam, you will get 0 mark. So children, let's start. Okay, I told you in all means we have to do addition. First I'll write numbers in proper places. 125 I have written in its particular places. Now Raju on 125 pebbles. Okay. Next, Kishore found. Okay, you can write found. Kishore found 63 pebbles. So 3 you write in ones place, 6 you write in tens place, 0 you write in hundreds place. Okay. Total number of pebbles. How we will get? When you add ones place numbers, 3 is a smaller number, 5 is bigger number. 3 fingers open. 5 of 6, 7, 8. So 8 will come in ones place. 6, 2. Okay, 6, 2. 2 is smaller number, 6 is bigger number. 6 you keep in mindset, and 2 you have to, 2 fingers you have to open. 6 after 7, 8. Is that clear? Now 1 plus 0. When you add any number with 0, you will get the same number. So 188. is the answer. Total number of pebbles they collected 188. Here also I'll write the answer. Is that clear, children? 5 plus 3. Here you observe now. 63 means they wrote C. 3 in ones place, yellow color C, and 6 in tens place. Here in hundreds place, nothing they written. So 5, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 2 fingers open, 6 up to 7, 8. Here nothing is given means you can put 0, no, nothing will happen. 1 plus 0, 188. So children, today we did 3 word problems. Okay, we completed 3 word problems. Okay, it is more than enough. So my dear children, these 3 word problems you have to do in your classwork. Is that clear? Don't forget to write the question. Don't forget to mention the steps. Here also you write Raju found. Number of pebbles Raju found. Right here is equals to 125. Number of pebbles Kishore found 63. And do addition. Total number of pebbles 188. Like that steps you write here. That steps you write in your classwork. Okay children, have a nice day.